Hi, I'm Sabi and I'm here gardening with ducks. What you're about to see in this video is how happy the ducks were the last time they woke up and asked for food, and I showed them where their food already was but added more to it. They just really ate that food pretty fast. And then we're going to show you two different ways of how to open poultry feed bags. These poultry feed, duck feed, and chicken feed bags are not easy to open, but we all have our own preferences of how to do it. Wendy has her way, which we'll show you, and I have my way as well.
Okay, so I'm opening a bag of chicken feed. You know the end that you open because it has this additional piece of paper, and then the side that you open. It's kind of hard to tell if you've never done it before, but if you kind of pull on a loose piece of string, sometimes you get lucky, but once you do it a lot, you just realize that you can pull the piece of string and the whole thing just come out, and it's open.
That first way to open a bag is really great if you're planning to use a smaller container to take the feed out of the bag with. Now, on the other hand, if you want to just pour the bag straight into another container, you might want to not open the entire top of the bag. In that situation, you might want to do what I'm about to do here, which is just open a certain part of the bag so that I can pour it over into a larger container without having it overflow while coming out of the bag.